Okay, Ali, I'm going to make this a lot simpler. Ignore all this down here because I can't switch between custom states right here. So this will all work like this. You click on demolition, it knows the project, it knows the division, and I guess your problem is here. It doesn't know which is which. So pull them all up and then choose them, desktop, cabinets, whatever it is. So instead of this thing, we'll just move. I just did this in static field so that we can just do this quickly. So we can move this drop down over to here and we'll just choose it. And then what we can do is we can put a condition. So the users in the database are one of two things. So a user is either a general contractor, I don't think we're going to be able to see it here, is either a general contractor or subcontractor. I think I can get to it. Hold on one second. Okay, so all users are either a member type is subcontractor or general contractor. Whatever, you're just going to have to load more. There should be 3 general contractors right here. General contractor with a space, okay? So the logic can be, and ignore this, but for this custom state, when we show cabinets, it's either for general contractor, show this state, and the state is going to be editable. And then for the subcontractor, it's show this state. So it's a hide state and show state condition. And then what we can do is create 2 basic fields. So this example right here is for the general contractor. So I'm the general contractor. I'm going to choose cabinets, or you're not going to be able to choose here, but I choose cabinets. It goes back to the database. It finds the last scope of work. Don't worry about saving all of these scopes of work. So the way that the scopes of work should submit, it should be, the workflow should be delete last one, add this one. So at all times, you'll only have one scope of work. So the general contractor will come here, they'll choose whatever, cabinets, and then these will both be editable fields. So they can come in here, edit things, do whatever they need to do, and then what they're going to do is click save. So click save, it's going to go back to the database. The database is going to erase the last scope of work for this project, this division, this trade. It's going to erase the last cabinet one, and then it's going to add this new one. So at all times within one project, one division, one trade, we'll only have one scope of work. Then if a user does this pop-up, a subcontractor, the subcontractor will not have this save button. So we'll just erase the save button. Scope of work will be static. You won't be able to change it at all. It'll just literally pop up. They'll choose whatever, cabinets or countertops. It will go back to the database and understand, okay, you're a subcontractor, and then it'll show a static field here, no ability to change. And then that's pretty much it, I think. Okay, hopefully that helps. Thanks.